Do you want to create videos from text without showing your face, or without using a camera? Faceless videos are perfect if you're busy and want to save time, or if you simply don't want to record. Why? No camera stress and video editing skills are needed. You create videos in less time but better quality. Here's how to make faceless videos in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Write your script. Step 2. Use AI tools like Pictory to turn it into a video. Optionally, use your own voice clone or simply choose a human-like AI voice. Your voice will sync with your video automatically so you don't have to do anything. Step 3. Edit your video without any tech or design skills. Step 4. Upload to YouTube and add your call to action, like subscribe or book a call. Do you want me to guide you? Then book a free consultation call in my calendar using the link below. Subscribe to my list to get my free video course and I will show you how.